your personal safety device. We call it the cowtail or the lanyard. Very important with you. When you get to the top of the waterfall, if you slip and fall down, it's gonna be dangerous. So on the top, we will set up a walking rope like this. When you get to the top, take up your cowtail, lock into the walking rope. This one gonna keep you safe. Left-handed. 1, 2, 3. Okay, no worry, chicken curry. So my friend, when you get to the real one, you can see that the ropeway behind you, it's gonna be steeper. If you keep walking down like this, you're gonna slip and you fall forward. Your face, your chest will hit the ropeway, okay? So at the edge of the cliff, I'm gonna stop you and tell you to lean back. When you lean back enough, you can walk down easily. First, you stand half feet in the edge for me, okay? Don't stand in here. Stand half feet in the edge. Stop walking. Don't walk anymore. You just loosen the rope in your main hand. Lower your bum and your hip down. Lean back your bum and your hip. More. Until your feet flat with the ropeway. Your knee, you keep them straight. Or slightly bend your knee is okay. But you don't bend too much. You're gonna fall backward, okay? Straight your knee. Your shoulder. Lean forward for me. Hey, my friend. Yes, lean back more a bit. One more jump. Hey. Yes. With this one, the cowtail, you can so put it here. More convenient,
Yep.
okay?
Okay.
Let's go. The edge. Legs open, yeah. Stop and lean back. More, and walk down. Yeah, left hand in front is better. Yes, you can jump. Good. Very nice. One more. Hop. Không vào. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Good question. Yeah, it is, I don't know.
We take the water with us?
Yeah.
How are you feeling, Sophia?
Excited.
You excited? That's good.
It's gonna be interesting once like water's coming in.
Yeah. Waterboarding you as you're trying to go down. I swear I don't know where he is, man.
What about you guys?
I'm excited, yeah. Tired though right now, but that'll change. Yeah, that was.
It's like really hot, like I need some water. Like.
Yeah. I was pretty gassed after that second one, not gonna lie.
You did it?
It's around 18 meters high. We're gonna do abseiling here. The shape of the ropeway is gonna be like my hand. From here to top to here to bottom. 18 meters. You're gonna start in the top here. Lean back, open your legs and walk down. You make a few steps down, then we will stop you for the first photo. Look at me and Kay. We're gonna take the photo for you and free your balance hand is okay. Got it? After the photo, keep walking until you get to the edge of the cliff. From the edge to the bottom, the ropeway is steeper. So when you get to the edge, we will stop you again and tell you to lean back more. You lean back more for me and look into your left side for the second photo. We will remind you, okay? Follow me this way, let's go.
Next one?
Yeah, under everything and compensate. Wait for me, huh? You right-handed?
Left-handed.
Left-handed, okay.
Okay, I'm not seeing it have a red light. So.
Yeah, it's on the back here.
Okay, you can see it?
It's recording, yep.
No, lean back more. Follow. No.
cold. Thank you. That's good. How was it?
All right. It was nice.
Yeah, it's good, eh? Refreshing once you get in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Working
it's
fine.
good. Yeah, I got all of that. Yeah. You'd pay $1,000 for this in Australia, probably. Yeah. Yeah, you get a taxi out here, you get lunch too, I'm pretty sure. We get lunch. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you get water and lunch.
Yeah.
And like the travel to and back is also good.
Yeah.
But I think it's pretty cool that you can just like do it one day ahead.
Yeah.
Like in Germany, you would have to probably book it 2 weeks in advance and the spot open.
In Austria it probably costs also like 400, 500 euros.
Yeah.
And I think the guides are also really nice here. So
Yeah.
good choice to do it today.
Yeah, agreed.
We're gonna do abseiling, combined zip lining. At the beginning, you walk down with a rope, and then you let go to fly down with a zip line. Fly down backwards, okay? In here, the rope way was slippery and a lot of water full into your body. So no jump, okay? Just walk down. You make a few steps down, then I will stop you for the first photo. Look at me and free your balance hand, okay? Yeah. After the photo, you keep walking until you get to the edge of the cliff. Yeah, in the edge here, I'm gonna stop you again and tell you to lean back more. You lean back the whole body, even your shoulder. Shoulder not forward anymore, shoulder backward, lay out. Ready to go, right?
Yep.
Left-handed. Over the rope, please.
Oh, I'm left-handed, by the way.
Yeah,
Over the rope.
So when you let go, put your leg up, okay?
Yep.
At the beginning, your right hand, you go here.
Yep.
But when you go down the cowtail, moving up, you
Yep.
can your... Okay, and you will know when. Now
Yep.
hold him first. Over first.
Over?
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Okay.
Here you go. Legs over and walk down.
Yep.
Lean back. Walking. Control. Allah! Woo! Lean back, lean back, lean back. Okay. Open your legs, open your legs. No.
There it goes. Woo! Thank you.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yep.
Lie down and relax. Careful.
Which way to go?
I don't know. Just keep...
There's a rock.
Yeah. I think just go with the flow.
Ah, no, good.
Oh, here we go. This is sick.
Nice, it's a life jacket.
Yeah, it's so relaxing. Yeah.
We have two up, okay? And we start from here. To the bottom, and then pull to the left side. Okay, that's better. And you get a hold of it.
Yep.
Alright. Now first. Alright, closer to me. Alright, now lie down. Lie down first. Lie down. Drop your arms. Lie down. Drop your arms. Your arms. Go through. Okay. Head back more. Head back more. More. Just relax your body. Okay, let's go.
Oh my god!
Are you okay? The current's strong, isn't it?
So strong, wait,
Yeah.
I didn't expect to be underwater for so long.
Yeah. Come on! Reach for my hand!
Here, oh, take my hand. Ah, come on. You're gonna fall unless you take my hand.
No, give me your other hand.
Oh, my other hand isn't strong enough.
Come on! Reach for my Thanks. Oh, that's good.
One more time. No, right here, okay? Alright, again.
You also hit your knees on the stone like in the water.
No, I didn't hit my knees. I hit my shins just then. Fuck.
Don't climb up.
Oh, have a nice trip. I got that on camera. Yeah, that's fine. Oh shit, you're funny, Lucas.
Energy.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Come on.
Sorry, what? It's very slippery. That's why you're gonna go by socks much better than your shoes, okay? The shape of the ropeway is gonna be like my hand. You're gonna start in the top here. Lean back, open your legs and walk down. Before you go, my friend, you can take off your cowtail, lock into the walking rope and come to the guy. Yeah. Yeah, lock and go, lock and go, lock and go. Step over. Stand on this side. You okay?
I'm left-handed, by the way.
All right. Yeah. Left hold it.
Yep.
Left hand hold it. Okay.
Oh, there you go. Whoa, that was crazy. Yeah. That was sick. Oh. Oh. Worms, is it?
Warm.
What is it?
Oh yeah, like
Warm.
here. So yeah.
Crazy.
Okay, and a bit hornet.
Yeah, hornet over here.
Hornet.
Oh, hornet.
Yeah, step over. All right, right hand. Here we go, lean back first. And you make a big step down.
Big step.
Yes. Good. Open your leg and to the left side, Yeah, lean back more and keep walking down. Good, hold back, keep walking.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you good? Now, hold on.
Wow.
Okay.
That was crazy. Fuck. Woo.
Ballet is okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.